Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat not opening problem. If Snapchat closes it by itself, talk on the loading screen or does not open at all, don't worry, this is the problem is very common and can be fixed. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to strong Wi-Fi and mobile data. For that, swipe right from the top right corner of your screen. This will open Control Center. Here you can choose the strong Wi-Fi mobile data cause a weak internet connection can stop Snapchat from opening. You can also restart your phone. This clears small error and helps app work properly. Now go to the App Store. In the search bar type Snapchat. If you see update, tap it. Using an old version of app can cause problem. If you are iPhone user and you are still facing this problem, don't worry. You need to delete the app and reinstall it. You can also check your iPhone storage. If your storage is full, app may not open properly. Delete unused app, photos or videos for free up space. Also make sure your iPhone software is up to date. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video useful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.